Welcome to my channel, Gurshan Zone. Today we will study Chapter 7, Study of Gas Laws, ICSE Chemistry, Class 9th. So, what is Boyle's law? Volume of given mass of dry gas is inversely proportional to pressure at constant temperature. So, let's study it brief. The volume of gas. So, we have volume of gas of given mass of dry gas is inversely. So, what do you understand by the word inversely? The meaning of inversely is that if one thing increases, the another thing will decrease. So let's study it with an example. So first of all, we have rupee and here we have liters, like you can say petrol. So this is 9 liters. This is 9 liter and this will increase. So this will be 10. Okay, now here volume. If volume increases, then the pressure will decrease. If pressure increases, volume will decrease. And its inversely proportional symbol is, you can donate it like this. So like we donate it like this, 1 upon pressure. So today we will do the numericals on Boyle's law. So first numerical on page number 119, volume of certain amount of gas at 25 degrees Celsius and 100 centimeter Hg pressure is 80 ml. The gas is expanded to 160 ml, keeping the temperature constant. Calculate the pressure of expanded gas. So in this first numerical, the volume of a certain amount of gas is 100 centimeter Hg. Ignore that 25 degree Celsius. Ignore this 25 degrees Celsius. So our volume is 100 centimeter. So we'll write over here V1. V1 equals to 100 centimeter. It is P1 Hg pressure. Here P1 is there. So okay, now volume. I got confused in between, but 80 ml. Volume is 80 ml. So if you want to learn that what is volume and what is pressure, you can just first you have to see the numerical and then you will just have to see the units. Like it is Hg, mercury, centimeter. So if it is Hg pressure, only Hg is written, pressure is not written, then you can easily get to know that it is pressure. If it is if the quantity is there like ml, liter, centimeter, like this, so it is volume. And if Celsius, Kelvin, so it is temperature. But in Boyle's law, we have temperature as constant. So if volume is 80 ml and pressure is 100 centimeter and the gas is expanded to 160 ml, so our volume 2 becomes 160 ml. We have to find the pressure. According to Boyle's law, our equation is this. We'll write 100 into 80 equals to P2 we don't know, equals to question mark. Okay, P2 into 160. So 100 into 80, 100 into 80 upon 160, P2 equals to, so 81, 2 will do the cutting, so 50 pressure is there, then write this unit as well. If you don't write the unit, then it will be difficult to score full marks. Hg pressure, I'm writing over here. Then the second numerical says at a particular temperature a certain quantity of gas occupies a volume. So here it is written like a certain quantity, so you will get to know that we are talking about volume, not pressure. So volume is 74 centimeter cube, 74 centimeter cube at a pressure of, so P1 equals to 760 mm, and if the pressure is decreased to 740, P2 becomes 740 mm, then V2 will be question mark. So now you can easily, if you want to verify your answer as well, first of all we will find the answer, then I will show you how to verify your answer. So according to Boyle's law, we'll use this equation P1 into, okay, then 760 into P1 into V1. V1 is 74 equals to, we don't know V2, then 740 into V2. So here we will write 760 into 74 and here V2 equals to 740, 74 1 70 10 10 0 76 centimeter cube. Now how to verify your answer that it is correct? Like you can easily see it. Like if I have told you that if volume increases, then pressure decreases. Pressure increases, then volume decreases. As the question said, that if the pressure is decreased in P2, the pressure is decreased till to 740. To 740. Pressure is decreasing, then volume will be increasing in Boyle's law. So here we know that V1 was 74 and P1 equals to 760. So it was decreasing and this was increasing, and here it is decreasing and this is increasing. So you can get to know that your answer is correct, or you can verify your answer. Third numerical. A student performed an experiment. So you just go to the pressure is written and volume is written. So there are two questions. So we will write A part. Pressure P1 equals to 100. Okay. V1 equals to 80. V1 equals to 80. P2 equals to 125. V2 equals to X. So X is there. So here mm, Hg, volume 1 centimeter cube. Again mm, Hg. You have to write all the units properly. So we have to find this X centimeter cube, you can say it. So according to Boyle's law, P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. So P1 is, put the values, 100 into 80 equals to P2 125 and V2 into X. So 100 into 80, X equals to 100 into 80 upon 125. So 520, 525, 54, 5, 5, 16, 16 to 4, 64. X equals to 64 centimeter cube. Then B part. B part says pressure P1 equals to 200 mm Hg. V1 equals to V140 centimeter cube. P2 we have to find it, X mm Hg, and V2 equals to 32. So we'll do the calculation over here. P1 same used, P1 200 into V1 40, 32 नीचे आ जाएगा. So over here 4 tens are 4 8s are 2 5s are 2 4s are 4 1 50, 50 into 5 250, 250 mm Hg. Our second part answer. So let's come to our question number 4. Yeah. Question number 4, numerical. So numerical number 4, at a constant temperature, volume of a gas was found to be 400 centimeter cube. So V1 equals to 400 centimeter cube, and then at a pressure of P1 equals to 760 mm Hg. If the pressure of the gas is increased by 25%, find the new volume. So okay, so P2 we know that 25% is increased in the pressure 1. So what we will do, 25 upon 100 into 760. 760 0 cancel, 2 3 to 6, 38, 2 5, 5 and 5. So 38 into 5, 5 8 40, 5 3 50, 190. 190 is coming. This is the increased value from 760. So now what we will do, P2 equals to 760 plus 190, the 25% increase in the P1 equals to 700 and 800, 800, 940. Sorry, 950. 950 mm Hg. We have to find. Now, according to Boyle's law, you know all the equation. P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. Okay, so V2 we don't know, and we'll write V2 equals to P1 760. P1 760 into 400, which is a V1, upon 950. 0 0 cancel. 5 8s are 5 1s are 5, 19. Okay, 19, and then 4. I think this will cut on 40. 1940s are 0 9 4 9 36 4 1 yeah 760. So 19 140 equals to 320. 320 volume and centimeter cube. Fifth numerical, vessel of capacity 600 centimeter cube. V1 equals to 670 meter cube. Given है. Pressure of P1 equals to 330 centimeter Hg. And we have to find the pressure, question mark, and V2. V2 when the vessel is connected to another vessel of 300 centimeter cube capacity. So here we will add both the 600 centimeter cube capacity of volume and 300 centimeter cube of capacity as the numerical says. When the vessel is connected to another vessel, so it is connected. So addition. So it will be 907 centimeter cube. Now what we will do, we will use the equation P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. Okay, P1 330 into 600, P2 we have to find, V2 900, P2 equals to 330 upon 330 into 600 upon 900. So 0 0 cancel, 3 2s are 3 3s are 3, 110, 220 centimeter of Hg, our answer. So in question number 6, at a constant temperature, a gas is at pressure of P1 equals to 1080 mm Hg. If volume is decreased by 40%, find the new pressure of gas. It is a good numerical, but we don't know the volume 1, volume 2, and P2 we have to find. So what we will do, we'll let V1 equals to V. Okay. So then, if the volume is decreased by 40, this is the last numerical, if the volume is decreased by 40%, if it is decreased by 40%, so what we will do, V2 equals to V upon 40 of V. We did the same in this question, fourth question. 25%, it was 25% increased. So 25 upon 100 into P1. So here we don't know the V, so that's why we have let V1. So here V will come, and then what we will do, here you will write 40 V upon 100 V. Okay. So here 0 and 0 cancel. So 4 upon 10, it is decreased now. So what we will write, V 10. Here we will do that LCM 4V minus 10V. Okay, 6V upon 10. 6V upon 10. V2V 6V upon 10. P2 we have to find 1080 P1 into V1 equals to V2. V2 is 6V upon 10 into P2. So 1080 into V upon 6V upon 10. V and V cancel. 0 and 0 cancel. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 8s are 6 8s are 48. 6 we have to wait 1 minute. 1080 into V. 6V and 10 will go upwards. Then V and cancel. 6 180 equals to 1800. Is it correct? Yes. Mm of Hg. So we have done all the numericals on Boyle's law. Subscribe the video if you want to check another video of Charles' law. And thank you for watching.